What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Here I have the PARFACTWORKS RA2000 LED grow light. PARFACTWORKS sent me over this grow light, and in this video I'm going to unbox the unit, I'm going to test the PAR output, and I'm also going to do a heat test. I'm not going to go over all the features that this grow light has in this video, but I will leave a link in the description section below so you can learn more about it. Okay, here is the box, and the first thing out the box is a user manual. This user manual includes installation instructions, recommended hanging heights, and information about daisy chaining. This next sheet is going to have some more information on the light. It also includes some information on another model that they sell, the RA1000, and this sheet shows PAR test readings at different heights. Next thing out the box is a power cord. After that is a pair of rope ratchet hangers. Here is a wire hanging kit. And lastly is the LED grow light. For the PAR test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ500 PAR meter. This meter measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, and the measurements are in ppfd. I do these videos just to give you a general idea of what the PAR output is. It's not going to be 100% accurate. I take measurements in grow tents, which have reflective walls. That could increase the numbers, so just keep that in mind. The flowering coverage area for this grow light is 3 feet by 3 feet. And I'm taking measurements in a 4 foot by 4 foot grow tent, so I'm going to try to keep my PAR meter in a 3 foot by 3 foot space. I'm going to take measurements at 3 different distances. These are the recommended hanging heights listed in their user manual: 24 inches, 18 inches, and 12 inches. I've plugged the grow light into my kilowatt meter and it shows 1.91 amps, pulling 228 watts from the wall. Alright, let's get into the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. Just a reminder that there is a link to this grow light in the description section below. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.